you can come over the stress and lots of things about mental stress, as well as your physical, like grabbing the anything, grab with the finger, का जो फिंगर टिप्स के जो के थ्रू एक्यूप्रेशर एक्यूपंक्चर भी हमें मिलता है. ठीक है, अब मैं एक बेसिक आपको आई जस्ट स्टार्ट विथ पेन. ओके, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी गुड visibility purpose, and you can take a screenshot as well, as otherwise I share you for taking a screenshot for timing. What we learn about lines and curves. My face is visible now.
या बीना जी, आप कैमरे को स्टिल रख सकती हो क्योंकि बहुत हिल रहा है, बहुत कंस्ट्रेन हो रहा है आईज पे.
ओके ओके, अब ठीक है.
हाँ, अब ठीक है.
देखो मैं नंबर वाइज बता रही हूँ.
सॉरी, ये ना हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल नजर आ रहा है, वर्टिकल नजर नहीं आ रहा है जो आप लिख रही हो.
ओके ओके. I make straight line. Okay, without using a scale. You can use a scale because I'm explaining the little bit knowledge about the lines and curves. Okay, second is I make hills pattern.
Do we have to copy this?
Yes, these are basic lines and curves which you make variations in whatever comes in your mind. And I never prefer that you can copy what I make. You just create your own design, your own creation with the basic knowledge what we can learn today. That is the calling. First is a straight line. Second is hills. This curves called hills.
बीना जी, जो आप लिख रही हो हमें नजर नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ हाँ हाँ, अब ठीक है, अब ठीक है.
Okay.
अब ठीक है.
Okay, next we go with dots. Simple dots. We just make a post point and dots. That is dots. Next, we just make this zigzag. All zigzags. This is a very basic knowledge of patterns, lines. Okay, that's now dashes. If you see my earlier creation, you find all this lines, curves in my creation. That is dashes. Next, clouds. Either you make a upper surface, either you make a lower. Cloud. Next we go just line, vertical line, then horizontal, then vertical, then horizontal, then vertical. It's a calling castle line. Okay. And I just prefer all time freehand style. How I make loops. That curve is calling loops. Anyone know mouse ears? Anyone know about mouse ears? We draw mouse ears. Just semi half circle.
This last one is not visible. After the loops, the last one was not visible.
Okay, now
It's very blurred.
I guess अब दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है अब?
Yes, ma'am.
अब दिख रहा है.
Okay. I take like this pattern mobile, or I change the mode of mobile. That is called mouse ear. Okay. Visible हो रहा है ना?
Yes. हाँ.
Yes.
You just check my using the way of pen. That is lighting. That's called lighting lines.
Mouse. After mouse ears, this is the lighting one.
Yeah, I repeat lighting one like this. You can make. Zigzag is different. You just find zigzag and the differences between that. We just slightly diagonal. Okay, you make some diagonal, then you move like this. That is called lighting. Okay.
Yeah.
11 number is Stromy. Stromy, how can you remake? You just draw S and without moving any other, like this. This is very rough. I just explain another way. Stromy.
बीना जी कैमरा थोड़ा ऊपर रखो, नहीं नजर आ रहा है. हाँ, अब नजर आ रहा है. हाँ.
These lines are called Stromy. Clear? एक बार आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. मेरा ये पूरा दिख रहा है?
पूरा नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ, और अभी थोड़ा और पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. 6 to 10 नहीं आ रहा है. अभी पहले आप 1 to 5 ले लो, फिर 6 to 10 ले लेना मेरे ख्याल से.
और
नहीं, पहले वाला कैमरा ठीक था. हाँ, परफेक्ट. मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेती. बीना जी जैसे पहले किया था वैसे ही करो.
आपको मैं एक मोबाइल में पिक भी शेयर कर दूं आफ्टर आवर वर्कशॉप.
ठीक है. बेटा हम लोग ना वर्कशॉप के बाद ना एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना देंगे. उसके अंदर बीना मैडम जो है ना सब कुछ ये जो बना रही है ना सब डाल देंगी, तो ये हमेशा आपके पास रहेगा. ठीक है जी.
तो बच्चे भी अपना क्रिएशन मुझे शेयर कर देंगे. राइट. नेक्स्ट वीक विद सम मैंने स्ट्रोमी पैटर्न लास्ट बताया है. ठीक है, अब हम कर रहे हैं 12th number is hearts. My that is hearts. Then 13 number is simple flower. So I simply use the technique without any hesitation, just simple draw. One good point for Jantangle. There is a no mistakes in your drawing. Okay, that is your mistakes become a creativity. Understood what I mean to say? Any mistake if you catch in your work, if you find some loop points, then you cover with other creation. Okay, that is flowers. We go with spiral, just moving the circle. That's called spiral line. Next, we make a vertical line and just dots. Vertical line and dots. Vertical lines and dots. It's called match line.
Small lollipop.
Yes, what anyone asked? Everything is clear till here?
Yes.
Yes, tell me Adiraj what you ask.
I just said the matchsticks are looking like small lollipop.
Yes, you can say that. But lollipop is just a bigger, like if you want to go with lollipop is look like this, right? And that is matches. Okay, differences you find out.
Yeah.
Great. How many knows triangle? Just simple triangle.
I know. We can't see triangle.
Now,
Yeah. Now.
uh,
But the video is very blurry.
it's clear now.
नहीं, या इज क्लियर नाउ। और अभी तक किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप क्वेश्चन पूछ लो, उसके बाद मैम आगे बढ़ेंगी। किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप स्पीकर ऑन करके मैम से पूछ लो, उसके बाद मैम आगे बढ़ेगी।
If any lines which I repeat again to explain, then we go with that. Everything is clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, should we move with diamond shape? That is called diamonds shapes. Okay. Simple circle.
We can't see your circles.
Now,
Yeah, now.
this is a snacks line. This is calling snacks line. Okay. And cubes. I did not use for this square. We just use this is calling for cubes.
I can't see
क्यूब्स के क्लियर नहीं है, दिख नहीं रहे हैं. अब दिख रहे हैं. नहीं थोड़ा.
हाँ, अब दिख रहे हैं.
Here everything is clear. This basic patterns I explain you, which we can make in our any surface, any kind of place. Okay. With the help of this basic pattern, we can make a borders, then strings, then a design. There is a triangle, like curves and movements of the square, and whatever you want to design, flowers, florals, you can make it in your way.
बीना मैम कैमरा थोड़ा हाँ क्लियर नहीं है.
Yes, I just make अभी ये क्लियर हो गया.
सारे लाइंस और शेप्स हो गए.
Yes, we just I explain you about 20 lines and this patterns. I am sharing WhatsApp group. Okay. Now I just start for making up.
बीना मैम एक बारी ना आप ना कैमरा ना स्लोली जितने आपने पैटर्न सिखाया है ना उस पे आप एक बारी मूव कर लो और उसके बाद तो हम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डाल ही देंगे. लेकिन कईयों का ना सिस्टम वो हो रहा था, जा रहे थे आ रहे थे, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, तो एक बारी सब रिवाइज कर लेंगे.
Okay. I just share again. First is that is a straight line. First is visible.
नहीं. Yeah, it's visible now.
Straight line, then hills, then dots, then zigzag, then dashes, then clouds upside and downsides both, then castle, then loops, then mouse ears, then lighting, then stromy. Till here 11 patterns we'll make, and next we go with heart shape, small heart shape flowers.
Ma'am, the image is not changing. We can still see castles and hoops.
Actually, my clamp is not working today. So sorry for that. Yes. What is flower? spiral and matches and triangles and diamond shape, then circle, that is a snacks line, and cubes. 20 patterns we just,
Excuse me, auntie, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am, I've been, ma'am, my audio was not working. I think you could not hear me. Ma'am, I got disconnected. Ma'am, I rejoined. Ma'am, cannot understand what we are doing.
okay. I just simple way again explain you. We make this is lines pattern, okay? That is called line, simple, straight.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, your camera is very blurry, so I cannot see anything.
Okay, just a second. Some problem.
बीना जी मेरे ख्याल से आप कैमरा एक जगह स्टिल करके ना फिर आप पेपर पकड़ लो तो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा.
Just second, I make just change. बाहर चल के बहुत
अभी नहीं है नहीं. बीना जी आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
sorry.
Muted.
Yes, straight lines, hills, dots, zigzag, and dashes, clouds, castle, loops, mouse ear, and lighting, and stormy. I repeat this line once again. You just check. Okay, I'm visible. My surface.
Ma'am, I cannot see you clearly.
बीना जी जो आप ड्रॉ कर रहे हो वो नहीं दिख रहा है, हमें सिर्फ आपका हाथ दिख रहा है.
Okay. आप देखिए.
हाँ अब ठीक है.
That is called straight line. Now I move with wheels.
बीना जी फिर नहीं दिख रहा कुछ हमें.
Now
अब ठीक है. हाँ अब ठीक है.
dots. Now dots. Then we go with jig jag. It's simple V. Upside downside we make a V. Okay. Till here everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we go with dashes. Just simple straight line with gap. And now clouds. Downside, upside. And we make a castle line. This is calling castle line. And now we move with loops. What is calling loops? This surface is calling loops. Okay? Now we turn for ears, mouse ear. lighting. Then stromy. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And the other one is just second. Now I just start taking a bookmark. I take a scale and draw directly with the 15 centimeters vertical line parallel with the depth of.
What should I draw? I can't see the whole thing.
I just draw straight vertical line 15 centimeter.
In between.
Not center, in a just a 5 size of paper. Okay.
I have A5.
Okay. You can make a 15 centimeters vertical line and go with the.
बीना जी हमें सिर्फ प्लेन पेपर दिख रहा है, आप क्या कर रहे हो वो नहीं दिख रहा है.
Where should I make the line?
This line is visible.
I don't have a A5 paper, I have a A4 paper.
Okay, you just half it. The A4 को आप half कर लोगे, that is calling A5. Okay.
Okay.
Now I just draw horizontal.
बीना जी हमें नहीं दिख रहा है, आप क्या ड्रॉ कर रहे हो?
5 centimeter. Horizontal I taken, and then I just take a 15 centimeter. Okay.
I can't see the whole thing.
Now clear. This box is visible. I guess मुझे दिख रहा है, आप लोगों को भी दिख रहा होगा. एक rectangle shape का box दिख रहा है.
Yes, we can see the box. This box.
Horizontal line is 5 centimeters.
Yeah, this is a 5 centimeter and this is 15 centimeter. The height of this rectangle is 15 centimeter and 5 centimeter horizontal line. या फिर slipping line you can say. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now I just make us inside same little one point after small border.
How many centimeter?
You take a 15 centimeter vertical line and horizontal or straight line you take a 5 centimeter.
The border.
Just a slightly one point. Okay. Not much more gap we require.
After we've made the box, ma'am, 15 and 5 centimeter, what is the next thing?
Yeah, just what I'm doing. Right now, we just use the lines, curves, which we made in 20 patterns, spiral patterns, and make lots of that sticks. We just reach here. Okay. I just make some.
Are we making a border first?
Yes, because we need always whenever you create an angle, you have to create a little bit borders. That is a basic. Okay. In all case, like I just using before this, taking a gap. Okay. Still clear everything?
किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मैम से पूछ लो अभी, फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं.
No.
Ma'am, I was disconnected for a long time. So can you tell what happened?
Can you please all show to the ma'am what you have made, so that ma'am will show you have making it right and we can move forward.
Adhiraj, you are right. Good. Yes, तशवी आपका भी अच्छा है. और कौन दिखा रहा है? सानवी आपका नहीं दिखा.
सानवी आपका दिख नहीं रहा है क्योंकि आपका ना वो अपनी फेस के आगे रखो, क्योंकि आपने पीछे बैकग्राउंड लगा रखी है ना, तो नजर नहीं आ रहा है कुछ.
Perfect, Ankita.
Yes.
It's visible.
Now
Excuse me, ma'am.
Michelle. Yes, Michelle.
Ma'am, I was logged out for a long time. So what happened?
Just to wait, babe. Bacha, we just make some simple lines which I share in your WhatsApp group as well as, and now we just move with the patterns to for bookmark. Okay, we are using lines, dots, and whatever we make with these things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, is this right?
to share. Yes, Rushi, right. Perfect, right, bacha. Perfect, right. All are good. All are good. Now my video mode is clear, na? Okay.
Yeah, it's clear now. Yeah.
I make one diagonal without any making. Okay, listen, kids. You make your own design, which we learn from 20 pattern, 20 lines. Okay, don't follow what I'm doing. I just want to share how you start in for bookmark. Okay, you make a simple line like this.
बीना जी आपका ना पूरा नहीं आ रहा है, तो ये लाइन कहाँ से स्टार्ट है, कहाँ एंड है? हमें सिर्फ एंडिंग नजर आ रही है लाइन की.
Okay. Just second. I repeat. Same.
So we can draw any design from these 20 patterns and lines.
Yes. You can make any design whichever you prefer. Okay. We did not need
We
our.
don't need to copy you.
No. You never ever copy anyone. You make your own style. Okay. We just learn the basic things which is required for the patterns. Okay. I make this one box more, which I explain 2 types of way. What I'm doing, this is my diagonal line, which is starting point and end in a semi-mid area. Is it visible? And one parallel box are also. Okay.
Should we copy you right now? Should we copy you right now?
No, dears, you make your own design. I just explain what we do, how we manage. We just start something like that center point. If you want to center point, like I just make a center point. This is my center point. I just make a half center and divide in few tiles. With a straight line. What I'm doing is visible?
Yeah.
Okay, this is one pattern. Okay, another is my this pattern. So I just start one single flower with that point and make a flower, big flower. Clear? Now I just make a shading. You can share one more thing I want miss it. Gentangle has a only black and white without any other color. We can use as a shading a pencil as well as pen. Okay. Never ever use a Gentangle for a color another. I shading with this same pen. And you should, it's very good when you work on this kind of paper, you just move your paper, not move your hand much. Okay. Now I just repeat this surface double floral. Okay. Then I just fill with this sketch pen. Use either you can just fill the black color full like this. I'm right now using a sketch pen. You can also use a sketch pen, but better you use same pen which is good, giving a good grip. Till here you understood? You just what we make in 20 lines and curves, you just do like this way. We need very much patience for the making these designs and moving our fingers much properly for the shape. You can use also marker pen for the filling of black colors. My patterns are visible. Now I am making a clear mouse here for this design. Make a repeat diagonal.
I made some tile and made some hearts in that.
Oh, that's cool. Very good, very good. What I'm doing, I just refill with the sketch gaps of with the sketch. This is very, you need very much patience when you draw. You did not go fast moving. Okay. Then you did get a much disturbing your design. Now I make a stromy pattern including hearts. Look what I'm doing. This is my Stromy design, and I'm inside heart. I use 2 pattern in a 1 line. Here, kids, you just watch me what I'm doing. You did not start your own work. You just watch what I use technique. Okay, that's good for you. For you can try your own patterns. I'm taking Stromy design as well as heart pattern, both in one design. Okay. Now I just stay away from this because I want to dry my pen color design. Now I just, what I'm doing, I make a center dot, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot here and 4 dot here and down dots like this. Is it visible to all? My dots are visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Now what I'm doing, I move this semicircle. I move this semicircle. Okay? And move like this and like this. That's repeat same. And making this touch my edge area. Should what I'm doing, I just make a straight lining. This box will be start with the floral pattern design. Should we go with the leaves and lines like this. My hands are very shaking, but you need your work with fineness of the proper movements of your pen. Now just move with same, repeat this curve. And this mistakes with the dark shade. Fill this color. We just move some half circle and round flowers. Should be dark with the highlighter or marker. How's going, all of you watching me or creating?
I had already started making mine.
Okay.
And I am just about finished.
Super.
In fact.
I just make the checks here. Everyone knows simple checks. One is filled with black, one is white box, one is like a chess. Okay. किसी को कोई क्वेरी हो, कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा हो, वो पूछे, बिकॉज ये चेक्स वाला पैटर्न आप कभी भी कैसे भी कोई भी कर्व्स के साथ फिट कर सकते हो. ओके. And to make also your alphabet letters in
I want to ask something.
yes, sure, you go ahead.
The half circle that there in this design, the type of moon thing that you didn't tell us. How is it a rectangle shape?
About moon shapes. It's about any kind of shapes, curves which is used. You can use also for moon. This is not a moon shape.
Anything. We can use anything.
Yes, we make anything with the black pen designs with
There are
the
many shapes.
yes. You go with any shape. You make also stars. You make also trees. We make also leaves. Okay.
Trees also.
Yes, we can make a tree, but not as a tree. In our tree, there is a no greenery. Like I just share, we can use like this leaf. Okay, that is also design is calling Gentangle. What I'm drawing, I just make a leaves, simple leaves with black draw. Okay,
Yeah.
I refill the space with only black and white.
Finished mine.
Just second, मैं देख रही हूँ, रुको. Yeah, you show your work.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Wow, Adhiraj, it's very superb, superb. It's very superb. और कौन दिखा रहा है?
what should we?
This is my stack line.
So what should we? So what should we in the border? Nothing.
Right. The in border we can left the blank space, and you make also in any kind of like a girl, either tree, either big any object like a car. You can use base draw and cover with this kind of lines and patterns.
So we can draw these lines and patterns in the border also.
Yeah, you can. But blank space we need all time. Okay?
I didn't get you actually.
Who did not understood?
Yeah. So you. What did you said? I didn't get you.
Just second. For example, I share with you like I just create this lady. Okay? That is her dress. For example, that is her dress. You can make a kind of any particular
Ask the border actually.
You make your border, no issue. We make our borders any design. I did not get what you want to understand. Swatiman, can you explain what you want to?
What should I want? Any?
Who asked? Actually, I did not get the. Michelle,
आपने पूछा है? किसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है?
मैंने.
हाँ जी, पूछो क्वेश्चन.
So what should I draw in the border?
बॉर्डर में बेटा आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो ना, एंड आप यू कैन लीव द बॉर्डर। बीना जी वो पूछ रहा है बॉर्डर में क्या ड्रॉ करूं?
It depends upon what kind of border. Like if we can make something bigger design, we having a require like our for bookmark we just left the border with the white blank space. Okay, if you are having with your great drawing, your big picture of drawing, you just make any pattern, any design. Like you make a floral, you make a heart, you make a diamond, you make a cubes, any just one unique form which you repeat surrounding your border purpose. Is it clear?
Yeah.
I just move a clouds pattern which you see. I'm making leaf, but using snack lines and cloud line, upside and downside both. Get my
Can I
word?
cut my bookmark now? Can I cut my bookmark now?
You can. I just make some given a tips for you. Whenever you pick up bookmark, you just move with cut and move with equal same paper. Like ये मेरा cutout है. आप एक बार देखो, ये मेरा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? ये मेरा किया हुआ है पेपर. इसको मैं क्या करूंगी, इसको मैं टर्न मूव इक्वल साइज में करके. Is it visible what I am doing?
Yeah, a little bit.
बीना जी हमें ना एक बार पूरा दिखा दो, पूरा क्या बनाए वो. पूरा बुकमार्क नहीं दिख रहा है हमें, पोर्शन दिख रहे हैं.
ये एक्चुअली मेरा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है डिजाइन. मैं ये बता रही थी, कट करने से पता है मैंने क्या किया. आई मेक अ ट्विस्ट बोथ साइड. मैंने इक्वल साइज में दो ऐसे ही साइज ले लो, दो ड्राइंग इक्वल ले लो. फिर यू कैन कट इक्वल पैटर्न एंड स्लाइटली in edge area you can take a favicol and you get a both side design. Is it clear? That is
So you are saying that we can take two bookmarks and then paste them with Fevicol and then we get two-sided bookmark.
yes, you can. This is a simple trick. That's no
So can we leave it with one-sided only?
you can create one side also, but you must be double side. You can paper fold your because your matlab like curve and like this of not visible in your back side. Like I show one my paper. This is this design dress. Okay, if you cover with your blank paper, that will be look pretty. You did not get like this. Okay, I'm clear.
I understand what you said.
You just take a simple equal size and paste in backside also the same paper, white paper.
Another white paper.
Like I say, ये मैंने पेपर लिया, ठीक है? ये मैंने पेपर लिया. I just fold it.
How?
बीना जी दिख नहीं रहा है हमने कैसे फोल्ड किया.
Only equal folding, equal fold. You just make
okay.
equal fold and you just paste favicol edge area and make this kind of. Clear?
Yeah, so okay, yeah, okay, I got you.
Want to
Okay,
make
I
a
got
both side design? If you want make both side design, if you want in single side, you can single side. Clear?
Okay, I got you.
And if you want to make in A4 size, you can just frame. You did not need to make a bookmark. You go with any specific design. Draw some like a car. Okay, you use your 20 curves and lines in the car, and you make a frame it. You can frame it. You can use your name alphabet, like Ankita use A letter. She make in A curves, A pattern, like I just share you with you.
Yeah, yeah, I understood.
For example, my name is Bina. Okay, I make a big draw.
And then we can do all the rectangle inside it.
Okay, just look what I'm making. I make this B and just little space here, little space there.
Ma'am, we
And-
cannot see your the pattern.
Oh yeah, I understood. Okay.
Is it visible? मुझे दिख रहा है बच्चा.
हाँ
ये
मैम,
हो-
now you can see उस टाइम आधा दिख रहा था सिर्फ.
ओके ओके. नहीं, मैं आधा ही दिखा रही थी, पूरा एक बार में नहीं दिखा रही थी. ये हो गया बी लेटर. Now I'm making lots of variations which we can use in this B letter, like hearts, circle, any pattern like this. We can use this dots only. Okay, and this stairs pattern. This is a peacock feather design. Okay, this is just stromy and hearts both. That is wave. That is wave line. That is circle. Okay, and this is flowers and leaf and just circle chain.
Yeah.
बीना जी, ये ना यहाँ पे क्लियर नहीं आ रहे हैं, हम ना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डाल देंगे फोटो खींच के.
Okay, okay.
है
And
ना?
this, हाँ, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. That would be good.
मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज और आई, अगर हम इनको लेमिनेट करवा लें बनाने
Yes.
के बाद, तो ये
Yes.
आगे खराब नहीं होंगे.
Definitely, after we can laminate this. मेरा wall laminated table ये है. That is actually a small mandala for dressing table. Visible?
पूरा, हाँ पूरा दिखाओ. पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. या we can see it now. It's beautiful.
So hope you understood. देखो, this is a match pattern. Who once say lollipop, but lollipop is little bit different. This is leaf with the curves of straight and diagonal. We are using hills. This is a hills line. One is black, one is white. Okay. I think so. I just make a little with the deep details of simple things. Okay. Is everything one is clear? Any doubts? Any more?
बीना जी, एक बारी कैमरा स्टिल करके ना जो हमने बनाया है, एक बारी बच्चों को फिर से दिखा दो.
Sure, sure. Is it visible?
या ब्लड हो रहा है, अभी नहीं है. या इट्स विजिबल नाउ. या और इसके ऊपर आप, अब कैमरा बिल्कुल ठीक है इस वक्त, आप बुक मार्क रख दो उसके ऊपर अब. हाँ. नाउ किड्स, यू कैन सी द बुक मार्क नाउ. If anybody has any query about bookmarks, please ask now. You can unmute yourself and ask if you have any query. सानवी आपने हाथ उठाया है, अधिराज आपने हाथ किया है. So if you have got any query, please ask the ma'am.
I don't have any query. I just wanted to show my bookmark.
Oh
Oh,
wow. Sanvi, let me put you on hotspot so that everybody can see your work. Yeah.
Very nice.
Pretty.
तो very peaceful and आराम से आप धीरे धीरे बनाओगे, उतनी फाइननेस आपकी हाथ में आएगी. ठीक है? Good, good, good.
Ma'am, I've completed half of it. Should I also show?
Yeah. Tashvi, let me put you on hotspot, then you show. तो सब लोग देख सकते हैं. Okay, give me just few seconds. Yeah. Please show your work, Tashvi.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice.
ताशवी, एक मिनट, मैंने फोटो क्लिक करनी है, आप फिर से करोगे? आपकी फोटो नहीं, फेस नहीं आ रहा है. या थैंक यू. नाउ हु वांट टू शो देयर वर्क, प्लीज?
Excuse me, ma'am, mine is not complete, but I have done some of it. So
Yeah, sure. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me.
Actually, we need some times to complete our bookmark also. We know that because it's not very simple now. Ki just draw and make it. It's you
Yeah.
make it very peacefully. Then you get a good design in your hand.
Okay, Ayushi, I'm just putting you on spotlight.
Wow.
Spotlight. Then you can show me. Just yeah.
Super black and white combination. Your floral design is very lovely.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, Simran has made it.
Now I will like Mitchell. Mitchell, if I'm putting you on spotlight, please show your work.
yes, ma'am, mine is not complete.
Mitchell,
Shell is very.
नीचे का दिखाओ, बहुत प्यारा है बेटा. नीचे का. Show the lower part again.
Yeah.
It's very
You make-
beautiful.
It's calling mandala.
Now, Sanvi, can you show your work again? Yeah, just yeah.
Very
Your face, beta, please, Sanvi. आपका face नहीं आ रहा है. Yeah, awesome. Thank you. And I think now only Anika is left. Anika, where are you?
Very nice, Anika.
Yeah. Very nice, Anika. And Adhiraj, अब मैं आपको put कर रही हूँ spotlight पे. I would like to see your work also. Yeah. Wow, आपका bookmark भी complete है. Awesome. Superb. Very
All
nice.
that so very well.
अब एक बारी सबके सब अपना bookmark हाथ में लेके दिखाओ मुझे. ये AM से कौन है? I don't know. एक मिनट या ताशवी आपका प्लीज. हाँ, ग्रेट जॉब, ऑसम. अब किसी बच्चे को कोई क्वेरी है, मैम से पूछ लो. और हमने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर दिया है आपकी मम्मी की फोन नंबर पे. तो अपना काम कल 12 बजे तक फिनिश करके मैम को दिखाना है. कुछ गलती होगी तो मैम आपको बताएगी. मैम 12 बजे के बाद किसी का काम नहीं देखेगी और ना किसी को बताएगी. और मैम ने जो आज सिखाया है मैम वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डाल देगी. तो अभी किसी के पास कोई क्वेरी है तो आप मैम से पूछो, और मैम आपको कुछ रह गया है बताना तो आप फिनिश करो.
मेरा सारा क्लियर हो चुका है. I did very well explain everything for today. Okay, next week if you want to in detail, you can take any another class with me also.
आपको मैम ना बहुत तरह की क्राफ्ट सिखाती हैं. अगर आपको कहते हैं कुछ मैम से कोई क्राफ्ट सीखनी है, कुछ सीखना है, तो आपका पास मैम का नंबर पहुंच जाएगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के अंदर. आप मैम से डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. मैम आपको पर्सनली भी सिखा सकती है क्लास. ठीक है जी. किसी बच्चे की कोई क्वेरी है तो मेरे से पूछो, उससे पहले कि हम सेशन खत्म करें. Anybody has any query? Ayushi, you have any query? Adhiraj, Anika,
No, ma'am.
Sanvi,
No.
Tashvi, you have any query?
100% without confusion till here.
नहीं है बिना. Everybody is so happy.
100% till here, what I am teaching you, what I just give a patterns design. Okay, you just follow the design and make your own design. Okay, so अब मैं एक टास्क दे रही हूँ. जैसा बुकमार्क तो हो गया है, बुकमार्क बहुतों ने बना दिया है. ठीक है, you make a big design in A4 size, like a ice cream, like your name alphabet, like a car, like a moon. If someone try on moon, that is also very nice gentle pattern. Okay, so everyone do something innovative, your own style. All the best, keep crafting.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू बीना मैम. बहुत अच्छा सेशन था. और हम लोगों ने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर दिया है. किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मैम कल 12 बजे तक हेल्प करेगी. उसके बाद मैम हेल्प नहीं करेगी. ठीक है जी. डन है ना बीना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. फिर हम सेशन खत्म करते हैं. And thank you all of you for attending this. And thank you everyone for joining. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye Ayushi. Bye. Bye Adhiraj.